How to check data usage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Cellular. On the Cellular screen, scroll down at the end and tap on Show All. This displays your total cellular data usage. Here, you will find a detailed breakdown of data usage on a per-app basis. This list is incredibly useful for identifying which specific applications are consuming the most data, allowing you to make informed decisions about their usage. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily check data usage on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.